Airsoft World! It's me again, your friend, Gpat, and welcome back here in our YouTube channel. So today guys, andito tayo sa Quality Tactical Airsoft game site and ipapakilala ko kayo sa ating mga solid Airsoft gamers at sabay-sabay natin silang i-outfit check kung ano yung kanilang mga getup. At sa lahat ng mga gustong sumubok na maglaro ng Airsoft dyan, welcome po kayong lahat dito sa ating Airsoft game site. And kung wala pa kayong mga Airsoft units, that's no problem kasi meron tayong mga for rent na mga Airsoft rifles, gears and equipments dyan sa loob. Kompleto na po lahat yan. And for more details, please message our Facebook page, Davao Polytactical Trading, Tagum Branch. Let's go!
Mabuhay ang Team Quality Tactical!
Mabuhay! Oh my God! Wow!
Okay, our first Quality Tactical Airsoft gamer, Kois.
Juris, Taran Tactical o kuan Army Armament na Glock.
Unsa ni siya, Kois? Kani, unsa ni? Pakita na to ni.
Kuan ni siya, EOTech na scope.
EOTech na scope. Okay. Kani mong radio, Kois?
Baupeng ni siya, mo ni mga radyo sa mga security.
Alright, na siya patch diri. Unsa ni?
Saint Michael Manggoro ni.
St. Michael Protectus. Wow. Isod ni Kalabano ni kay
Philippine
flag.
China na sunod.
Nasya ano sa likod?
Ayaw kay inyo
Kani bag check. Nasya ko an extra shirt. Feeling good. Alright. Nasya pistol guys. Ano na to yung pistol? That is Glock.
Glock 17 ma'am.
Glock 17.
Gen 4.
Okay, our second Airsoft gamer guys, Shadow. Follow nimo ni siya sa iyahang Facebook page, Shadow. Black Creepers. Rifle nimo guys.
I sold it to buy my primary weapon now, which is
weapon.
the Glock 34 Taran Tactical Innovation. It's from ENC, and I have 2 mags, the proprietary one, and 1 extra mag. Also, I have my Hilo lanyard.
This one guys, what's this?
This is my melee weapon, which is a dagger, a wooden dagger. This is dull. This is for just airsoft, and it can't, fatally wound someone. Okay.
Sample.
In a scenario, if I don't have any BBs anymore, which is okay, no BBs. Okay, clear. I pull this out. I either throw it or I take out someone silently, of course. I think that's it.
Niya iyahang moves. Gamit ni iyahang weapon.
You're gonna see some combat movements or CQB maneuvers.
Atangan nato niya CQB game ang moves niya. Gamit ni iyahang secondary weapon,
secondary,
right?
If the situation calls for it. Okay.
So, thank you once again. Follow nato siya sa iyang Facebook page. Okay, our third Airsoft gamers, guys. Our import gamer all the way from Japan. Ladies and gentlemen, Akihiko Yumatsu.
So, watashi no namae wa Yumatsu Akihiko desu. So, what I have here is the M4A1, the most basic platform. And I have here my helmet. It's an upscore replica. And replica po ni sa goggles na Oakley Hilo. And then what I'm wearing is a BDO Tropical. And plate carrier na replica sa JPC, nga Cry brand. Ini improvised lang. This is an improvised mag dump. So even though na it's worn out, it still, does the job. Oh yeah, sentimental value nga debris. Yeah, and then last but not the least po siguro is akong blinker.
Yeah, blinker. Nasa patch guys.
Yeah, ang patch.
Ayan.
Ginapay tayo pud ni.
Dari di gid ka taga Pilipinas. Yung tag dili man na Pilipinas.
Foreign fighter. All right.
Once again guys, Akihiko Yumatsu. Alright guys, our fourth Airsoft gamers is a Russian Airsoft gamer all the way from Russia. A solid Airsoft, Poly Tactical Airsoft gamer, Andrei.
Здравствуйте, товарищи. I come here to go and train for Ukraine. Okay, I from Kiev. I born in Kiev, then moved to Moscow, and then my dad, my papa, he go to Philippines overseas so that he can go and marry Philippine woman because very young. Yes, and then now I am born here. Yes.
Yeah. Can you show me?
This
Introduce what is your get up right now.
this is automat Kalashnikova, AK-74. We have no butt stock because my father broke it when I was 12. Here we have selector switch, and this is my Chinese rig that I have stolen from my friend Xi Jinping. Shout out to him. And this is helmet from Japan, McDonald's. Yes.
Okay, I saw something here. What's this? What's the meaning of this?
This is Hebrew. It means what?
What?
Yeah. Okay. So that is all, everyone. До свидания.
And guys, our fifth airsoft gamer, solid quality tactical airsoft gamer, wow of the day, Koy Cedric. Koy, i-share mo hang get up karon.
My name is Zedric, and this helmet is from my uncle. This unit, and my
Sa unit ni mo, Koy?
M4.
Kita na to, M4.
This M4 carbine.
Yeah. What's
From-
this? This one?
Just an
Attachment.
attachment from Lazada.
Gana ni?
Yes.
Ah, okay. Show them. Wow. Flashlight. For, gana siya pang night ops. Flashlight.
My
Secondary weapon ko eh.
It's a 45 cal MRP. High
High
kappa. From,
And,
and
nasa yung radyo.
from a radio for communicating
Communicating.
for my team, and
Bandolier. Ay! Nasa yung ano? First aid kit. Medic. Wow of the day. Complete. Dapat, kayo medic mga boys. Okay lang. Sa rook. Kani, bag. Sisulod ni Koy.
mga ano ko gamit
Okay na
pag,
na.
pag
Nasa ikuan diri sa likod. Sa man ninyo pagkuha.
Ay,
Towel guys, towel. Ang trapo sa singot guys. Ay, hydro pack.
may hydro pa para hindi ako
Asa man ang tubigan ni?
sa likod ko po dito.
Nandito, hydro pack. Oh, yes. Na siya hydro pack dala guys. Wow of the day. Koy Cedric. Okay, our 6th and 7th solid airsoft quality tactical gamer. Koy's Joshua and Koy's John. Koy's Joshua. Sa atong get up rundong.
Kwanta naka Gibson lights.
Shoes from
And tapos kani andra ni okay.
UK.
Ani SRC M4
Yeah, SRC M4. Na, helmet,
helmet
na to.
para safe atong ulo.
Yeah.
Safety first.
My name is Jonathan. Ito nga pala yung weapon ko. Binigay lang ng tropa. M4 wrist. Then may shoes.
GBB to, di ba, Chris?
Oh, GBB.
Oh, gas blowback,
gas
guys.
blowback.
The only gas blowback player right now.
Then sapatos ko sa Shopee lang yan. Then ukay-ukay. The rest para makamura. Thank you.
Yeah. And, kani ko is attachment. Kita na
Ito.
to. Kani siya, pang flashlight. Flashlight and
and
laser.
flashlight.
Good ni siya pang night op, guys. Night op.
Sa quality tactical ko to nabili. Then ito. The rest, wala na.
Ito,
Donation na
Chris.
lang.
Ano to, Chris?
Design.
Design lang. Okay. And, of course, nasa yung patch diri, guys.
Yeah.
Pakita na to niyang patch. Ayan. Quality tactical. Okay, this time, guys, a very solid quality tactical airsoft gamer.
Hi guys, I am Levi Braille Alpangantihon and I am airsoft player at Quali Tactical game site, and I am using ENC 603 MK18 by Daniel Defense, and helmet, pass helmet, Kraken mask, and volley goggles, tactical pants, and combat shoes.
Yeah. I saw Lokeri here. Sa sulod ani ko is pakita na to.
BBs, and I have BBs in my low carry.
Babies. Abi na kog soft drinks tinuod. Sling. And a Quality Tactical.
Quality Tactical Vest.
Yeah, Quality Tactical Vest. So, once again guys, Kois Levi. Solid Quality Tactical Airsoft Gamer.
Oh my God! Wow!
Hey guys, siya si Kois LJ. Second timer, sir, no? Second timer Airsoft Gamer dire sa Quality Tactical Airsoft Game Site. Pero dati nag-airsoft na ka, sir, di ba?
Wala pa. First time lang.
Okay, first time gid niya dire sa Quality Tactical. Gwapo kay guys ang airsoft rifle ni sir. I think this is M4 607. So pwede na to pakita ko is unsa ning imuhang ano dire attachment na siya.
I scope with that. Then ako ikuan laser and flashlight.
Yes, parang ano ito, surefire ito, guys. Okay, so nugana siya, gwapo ni siya pang ano guys, pang night ops. So asa ni mo ni siya napalit, guys?
Online lang.
Online. Ito online din to.
Online din.
Na siya forward hand grip, sling. Ang bandolier.
Bandolier is from my sponsor Lazada.
Okay, Lazada. So nice kay iyang build up sa iyang rifle. Ready na ni siya kung if ever nga naay mga night op games. So, kung sa imuhang CQB game, naka third game ni sila karon.
Actually, okay, lami sa feeling, then kuan endurance.
Yes.
Then kuan yun lang maagang na hit.
Maagang na hit, ka na hit. Kois.
Kuan sa daliri dito.
Okay, sa daliro. Very honest si Kois kay nag-call gid siya og hit. So ma-appreciate na to ang mga honest gamer, no. Next game na to is Milsim. Okay. So good luck.
Thank you.
Okay, welcome na to atong new gamer sa Quality Tactical Game Site. Si Kois.
Conrad Jam ko. So ang akong dala na unit is M4. So try na to diri basig dira ta tanaw na to kung okay bang dula.
Okay. So naka first game na ni siya og CQB. Kumusta imong first game, Kois?
Okay lang, medyo challenge pero kailangan jud og body para makuha ang subject.
Yes, asa ka na hit, Kois?
Sabak lang kay na-hit ko because of sa walay backup, walay second defender.
Yes. Okay, welcome na to atong guest gamer kauban ni Kois Akihiko Yumatsu, si Kois
RJ.
Okay, Kois RJ. First time? Okay, first time Airsoft gamer. So CQB, naka third game na siya. So how's your CQB game?
It's very interesting. At first it's kind of slow, but then when it gets to the later stages, it starts to speed up and starts to get very interesting and very, I guess, scary a little bit, but at the same time still very exhilarating.
Okay. So asa ka na hit?
In the elbow.
Oh, in the elbow. So first game, second game, third game, assault, defender.
Assault.
Plan pa ka mo dulag balik next Sunday?
Maybe.
So iyang gamit guys, nagrent lang ni siya. O Airsoft rifle diri sa Quality Tactical M4 iyang gamit, M4 rifle. So would you plan to buy Airsoft unit?
When I have the money to, I might consider it.
Okay, nice. So, nice game and nice to see you here at Quality Tactical Game Site. Okay. Okay, atong guest. First time ni mo diri sa game site? Okay, first time si pangalan nimo Kois?
Nathaniel
Bano. Okay, Nathaniel Bano. So, nahuman na ni siya og si QB. Then, mungtan ako Kois, imuha ning rifle?
Oo, ako na.
Okay, so magmilusim na sa karon. So, kumusta ang imuhang si QB?
Kapoy pero enjoy.
Yeah, so mas mukapoy pag giniron kay mag-meal same game naman ni sila. So unsa karon team?
Yellow.
Unsa man mo?
Alpha.
First timer dili. 3 times today siya diri sa Quality Tactical Game Site. So naka CQB game na ni siya, third game. Okay ra imong CQB game?
Okay ra man. Okay ra.
Kumusta imong experience?
Layo po.
So, gandam na ni siya kay mag milsim game na pud sila karon. So nako ipakita sa inyo na milsim get up mo ni siya ang pang milsim get up. Pang ano ni siya, pang camouflaging. O si Shadow Black Rapper. So unsay tawag ani mo hang gisuot ko?
Moro gyapon ni lightweight ghillie suit.
Okay, so kani siya is good kay ni siya pang airsoft game. So unsa man ang sulod ani imong belt kois?
Na ako'y phone ako diri, full holder or ATAC holder, and then radio para sa ako ang mga kauban, and then extra mag, and then also na ako ang extra BBs.
Yes, so good luck sa atong milsim game. All right. And that's all for our Airsoft adventure for today, guys. I hope you enjoy our outfit check sa lahat ng ating mga solid, quality tactical Airsoft gamers. And again, sa lahat ng mga gustong sumubok maglaro ng Airsoft, dito lang po tayo located sa New Balanban, Tagum City. Makikita nyo yung location natin, guys. Ilalagay ko sa ating Facebook page, Davao Quality Tactical Trading Tagum Branch. And sa lahat ng mga nagtatanong tungkol sa ating mga for rent na mga Airsoft rifles, gears, and equipments, meron po tayo lahat nyan. Just message our page for more details. And magkita-kits tayo ulit sa mga susunod na mga Airsoft adventures dito lang sa ating YouTube channel, Quality Tactical Airsoft Gaming. And by the way, guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell to keep you updated on our future Airsoft videos.